Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Auto channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Meta Viewpoints dollar to your PayPal or gift card or any other form of payment you wish to. So for those that have been following my channel, I've been doing recent videos on how you can earn through Meta Viewpoint. So today I'm going to show you how much I've earned so far and show you how to withdraw if you have started already, and how much you could earn withdrawing or participating in this survey. It's very easy survey to do. So for those that are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that I get notified whenever I upload fresh content. So without any further ado, let's go straight to this tutorial. You can see there are a lot of threshold. The first threshold is when you hit 1,000 points. Yes, after 1,000 points you gain $3. Then just like that, you gain 2,000 points, you gain $6. 3,000 points, gain $9. You gain 4,000 points, you get $12. Just like that till you get to 10,000 points, which will give you about $30. I think let's view it. You can see $30 for 10,000 points. So guys, you can see we have gotten to $9. So I'm going to show my subscribers how to easily do this. So just click on reward, see reward. Once you click on see reward, you can see say $9 reward from Viewpoints. Now 3,000 points. So I have about 3,000 plus. You see, once you redeem, you will have 70 points left. So what this means is that once I redeem this $9, I will be having only $70 points left. So that means I'm going to start afresh again and start building. So but because I want to show my viewers that this thing actually works, that's why I have to initiate this withdrawal. So let's proceed, and I'll click this button that says redeem, you can see. So we're going to click on it. So just click redeem, and once you click on redeem, it will pop up. Say nice. You can see nice, you redeem a $9 reward. So now it says Viewpoints. So via Tremendous, we send this reward to my email. If you can't see an email within 3 days, check your spam folder. Tremendous is a Meta vendor. So it's a vendor. This Tremendous is a vendor that Meta Viewpoint is using for this, specifically for this survey. So I'll click OK. Let me just screenshot this. Okay, I'll just click OK. So once I click OK, you can see my point has reduced to just 70 points. So that means I'm starting afresh. Just like the whole thing, I've reset it. So I'll start over with pushing for 1,000 points and so on. You know, once I get to 1,000 again, I'll be able to withdraw $3. So that is it, guys. Let's quickly go to my mail and proceed. So just click on Gmail. Okay, I've seen the mail, so I just click on it. So once I click on it, you see it says, "Hi Martin, you earned a reward worth $9 on Viewpoint that can now be redeemed on our website." So Tremendous is a Meta service provider. So all I just need to do, I just click on redeem. Okay, it says in the reward, I click on redeem. You can see you can see by default my country IP is being searched, and it gave me option that are available in Nigeria, which is virtual visa, then charity donation. If I want to donate it to charity, international rescue community, save the children. So I will just come here because I want to withdraw through paper. I will just change to United States, and you see several options will appear. You can see in United States they have prepaid, virtual, and physical gift card. They have Apple, Starbucks, and 61 more. Oh my God! You can see 63 more. Sorry, you can see before it was less than, so they have increased it to 63. So that's it. They keep increasing it. Charity donation, American Cancer Society, Diabetes Society, 28 more years. So I'm interested in this PayPal USA. I just click on PayPal USA. So now please pay more attention here. Ensure that you change this default Gmail or email to the one you use for your PayPal. So the one you use for your PayPal is the email you put here. Your PayPal email is the one you put here, so don't make that mistake. So I'll put my PayPal Gmail PayPal email. So you say confirm. I'll confirm it. So I'll click on transfer. So I'll just proceed. Please verify very well before you proceed. I'll click on proceed. Okay guys, the PayPal money has arrived. I just checked my PayPal, so it's still showing here. So once I refresh, let me refresh. I've already received it. Let me refresh this page and see if it will show. If it doesn't show, I also check my mail, but I've received it already on my PayPal. You can see it. Yes, my PayPal balance. You can see it says send on behalf of Viewpoints. You can see it very clear, direct from Meta Viewpoint on behalf of Viewpoints. Tremendous. You can see the name, Tremendous, June 5th. So guys, this is legit. Guys. This is legit, guys. So I might decide to just go back. I don't know, maybe it's a payment processor page. You can see your payment is complete. You can see. So it's a payment processing page that is a little bit slow. So we are done with this, guys. That is how you can easily claim or redeem your Meta Viewpoints reward dollar for money. So for those that want to shop, you can use any of the shopping carts, but me, I prefer PayPal. So I don't know about you. So that's it. If you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that I get notified whenever we upload fresh content. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.